Hello everyone. In the previous video we discussed how you can design all the basic gates using NAND gate. In this video I will be discussing NOR gate. So let's see how you can design basic gates using only NOR gate. So here just will recall the NOR gate symbol and NOR gate expression as well as truth table. This is the symbolic representation of NOR gate. X and Y are the input and Z is the output, and the logical expression is X plus Y whole bar. This is the complement of the OR gate. X plus Y whole bar. So by applying the De Morgan's theorem, we can write X bar dot Y bar. And this is the truth table of NOR gate. X and Y are the input and Z is the output. And when all the inputs are 0, then only the output becomes high. Otherwise, the output is always 0 in the NOR gate. So first we'll consider NOR gate as an inverter gate. So here both the input of NOR gate are shorted and given to the input X and the output Z equal to X bar, because already we know that the logical expression of NOR gate is X plus Y whole bar, but now here both the inputs are same, that is X, so that is X plus X, that is before the bubble, X plus X equal to X only, and bar is as it is, hence Z equal to X bar. So that is like this, X plus X, because both the inputs are shorted and given to the X input, so X plus X whole bar. So X plus X, already you know that X only, and bar is as it is, hence Z equal to X bar. So it is acting as a inverter now. So next, NOR gate as an OR gate. Already you know that NOR and OR gate are complement each other. So first NOR gate, X and Y are the input and the output of this NOR gate is X plus Y whole bar. And if you take one more complement of this expression, we'll get the X plus Y. So shorten the both the input of this second NOR gate, and for this provide the output of the first NOR gate, that is X plus Y whole bar. Hence the output of this Z equal to X plus Y whole bar and one more bar. So both the bar will get cancelled. Hence the expression becomes X plus Y. So this is OR gate expression. So that means now this circuit is equivalent to OR gate. Next, NOR gate has an AND gate. So here let's write down the AND gate expression. So AND gate expression, if I consider X and Y are the input, so Z equal to XY. So this is the AND gate expression. So here we are designing AND gate using NOR gate. So again here, whenever we are designing NOR gate, the expression should be in the form of NOR only. So here the expression is not in the form of NOR. So Z equal to XY is there. So for this, take the double complement and get the expression in the form of NOR. So if I take the double complement, the expression will not change. So now apply the De Morgan's theorem. So it becomes X bar plus, because here dot is there, so dot becomes plus now, and Y bar and whole bar. So now if you observe this expression, it is in the form of NOR, right? So let's consider this expression and we'll draw the logic diagram. First term is x bar. So x bar is nothing but it's a complement of x, that is not operation of x. So first OR gate, both the input are shorted and the input is x, output of this NOR gate is x bar. And same thing for y bar, one more NOR gate, y is the input and the output of this NOR gate is y bar. So that means x bar and y bar we got from these two NOR gates, and next x bar plus y bar whole bar. So this is the OR gate NOR gate expression. So we require one more NOR gate, that is the third one. So for this, one input is x bar and another input is y bar, right? And z equal to x bar plus y bar whole bar. So if you simplify this expression, again apply the De Morgan's theorem here. So x double bar, this plus becomes dot now, and y double bar. So double bar get cancels. So z equal to x y. This is the logical and expression. So that means now this circuit is acting as a AND gate. So again we'll consider the same expression which we discussed it in the NAND implementation. Design a NOR logic circuit that is equivalent to the AOI circuit shown below. So this is the AND or inverter circuit for this expression, that is Z equal to BC bar plus AC. So now we'll design the same circuit by using only NOR gate. So this is the design. So let's consider the given expression first. So that is Z equal to BC bar plus AC. So we'll take the double complement because BC bar plus AC directly you cannot design by using NOR gate. So the expression should be in the form of NOR. So for that we are taking the double complement. That is the very first step. So next apply the De Morgan's theorem. BC bar whole bar, and this plus becomes dot now, and AC bar, and this whole bar is as it is. And next Z equal to, still it is not in the NOR form, it is in the NAND form. So again simplify it. BC bar whole bar is there, so just apply the De Morgan's theorem for this term. So that becomes B bar plus C. Actually it becomes C double bar, so double bar get cancels, hence we get the B bar plus C. Dot is as it is, and AC whole bar is there, so apply the De Morgan's theorem for this AC bar, that is A bar plus C bar, and this whole bar is as it is. So again apply one more time De Morgan's theorem because still it is in the NAND form because here dot is there. So B bar plus C whole bar, and this dot becomes plus now, and A bar plus C bar whole bar. So now it is not exactly in the NOR form, but it is in the form of POS, that is the uh, product of the sum. So let's design the circuit for this expression. So first B bar plus C whole bar. So okay, so here B is the input and the B bar is the output. So B bar here and C here, the output of this first NOR gate is B bar plus C whole bar. So that is the first term here, plus A bar plus C bar whole bar. So here A bar and C bar, and the output of this second NOR gate is A bar plus C bar whole bar, right? So but here now one output is B bar plus C whole bar. That is, if you simplify that, we will get the BC bar. This is the BC bar. And here the output of this second NOR gate is A bar plus C bar whole bar. That is A double bar, C double bar. That becomes AC. So here A, C. But here now there are two outputs. Two outputs. Have to get only one output, that is Z equal to BC bar plus AC. So here again I am using the one more NOR gate. So if I use this NOR gate, the output of this expression is BC bar plus AC whole bar. But I don't want this whole bar. I want only BC bar plus AC because that is my original expression. Right? So for that, to remove this bar, I am adding one more NOR gate just by shorting both the input of this NOR gate. You can see here. That means here I am using NOT gate because I have to remove this bar. So to remove this bar means I have to take one more bar. If I take one more bar means this bar and this bar get cancels. So that means the whole this BC bar plus AC whole bar we have to complement. So hence I use this fourth NOR gate. So here the input is BC bar plus AC whole bar. So the output of this NOR gate Z equal to BC bar plus AC double bar. So this double bar get cancels. Hence we'll get the final expression BC bar plus AC. So this is our original expression. So now here we designed this expression using only NOR gate. So this is how we can design the basic gates as well as the given expression using only NOR gate.